Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the world of fashion and style. Are you looking to elevate your wardrobe this spring? You're in the right place. Today, we're kicking off our journey with 10 must have accessories for spring 2025 that will not only transform your outfits but also boost your confidence. Imagine stepping out in a chic ensemble, and just with the right accessory, you turn heads and feel fabulous. That's the power of accessories. Whether it's a bold handbag or delicate jewelry, these pieces can make all the difference. So, are you ready to discover what's trending this season? Stay tuned because I promise you'll gain valuable insights that will inspire your style journey. And hey, I want to hear from you. Which accessory are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and let's get started on this stylish adventure together. Let's dive right into our first accessory: bold red and burgundy pieces. These stunning colors are making a major comeback this spring, and they're a perfect way to add warmth and sophistication to your outfits. Picture this: a rich burgundy handbag paired with a simple white dress. Instantly, you elevate your look and exude confidence. These shades aren't just beautiful, they symbolize strength and self assurance. Incorporating red or burgundy into your wardrobe is easy. Think about adding a pair of striking red heels or some chic burgundy loafers to your collection. These colors can transform even the most basic outfit into something truly eye catching. And here's a little tip: pair these bold hues with neutral tones like beige, black, or white to really let them shine. So, how do you feel about embracing these vibrant colors this season? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your favorite ways to incorporate red and burgundy in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Now, let's talk about our second accessory: suede bags. These elegant pieces are perfect for spring 2025, offering a soft texture that adds a touch of sophistication to any outfit. Imagine the luxurious feel of a camel colored suede bag paired with a structured coat or a casual denim look. It's all about versatility. What makes suede bags so special is their ability to complement a variety of styles. Whether you're dressing up for a brunch or keeping it casual, a suede bag can elevate your entire look. This spring, earthy tones like chocolate brown and olive green are particularly on trend, effortlessly pairing with both colorful and neutral outfits. And here's a pro tip: investing in a classic suede bag means you'll have a timeless accessory that stays chic for years to come. So, are you ready to add a touch of elegance to your wardrobe with suede? Let me know in the comments if you have a favorite suede bag, and let's share our style inspirations. Next up, let's shine the spotlight on our third accessory: statement sunglasses. These are not just practical items for sunny days, they're a bold fashion statement that can completely transform your look. This spring, oversized and uniquely shaped frames are all the rage. Think cat eye, retro aviators, or even geometric designs. Wearing a pair of statement sunglasses can instantly elevate your outfit and add an air of mystery and elegance. Imagine stepping out in a stylish outfit, topped off with bold, dark tinted lenses. Talk about confidence. Tortoiseshell and metallic finishes are trending this season, bringing a refined yet modern touch to any ensemble. And here's a fun idea: use your sunglasses as the focal point of your outfit. Pair them with a minimalistic look to let those frames shine. So, what do you think about adding some statement eyewear to your collection? I'd love to hear your favorite styles in the comments below. Let's keep the fashion conversation going. Now let's explore our fourth accessory: pearls. Traditionally seen as classic and elegant, pearls are being reimagined in fresh and modern ways this spring. No longer just for strands around the neck, pearls are now featured in asymmetrical designs, layered chokers, and mixed with other textures, making them incredibly versatile. Imagine wearing a pair of unique pearl earrings that add a touch of sophistication to your casual outfit, or a layered pearl necklace that elevates your evening look. Whether you prefer classic white pearls or the more irregular Baroque shapes, Incorporating them into your wardrobe is a fantastic way to add refinement. Here's a creative tip. Try tying pearls onto a silk scarf for a unique twist. This simple yet striking detail can personalize your accessories and make your outfit stand out. So, how excited are you to bring pearls back into your style rotation this season? Share your thoughts and favorite ways to wear pearls in the comments below. Let's inspire each other. Moving on to our fifth accessory, mixed metal jewelry. Gone are the days of choosing between gold and silver. This spring is all about combining these two stunning metals for a dynamic and visually interesting look. Imagine wearing stacked rings that blend both gold and silver, creating a layered effect that feels intentional and stylish. The beauty of mixed metal jewelry is its versatility. You can easily incorporate your existing pieces while experimenting with new combinations. Start with simple items like mixed metal watches or earrings if you're feeling hesitant. Over time, you'll find the perfect balance that reflects your personal style. And here's a little tip. Layering different metals can add depth and contrast to your overall look. Pair bold gold bangles with delicate silver necklaces for an eye-catching combo. So, are you ready to embrace the charm of mixed metals this season? I can't wait to hear your thoughts and see how you style your mixed metal pieces in the comments below. Let's keep this fashion dialogue flowing. Now let's dive into our sixth accessory, delicate watches. These pieces are much more than just timekeepers. They are statements of elegance and refinement. This spring, sleek and minimal designs are taking center stage. Imagine a thin banded watch with a refined dial that perfectly complements both your casual and the formal outfits. Choosing a delicate watch can elevate your entire look without overwhelming it. Opt for classic tones like gold or silver, or even consider leather straps in neutral shades like beige or black. This versatility means you can wear your watch every day, whether you're at work, brunch, or a night out. Here's a tip. Try stacking your delicate watch with bracelets for a chic, layered effect. This simple addition can add a touch of sophistication to your wrist. So, what do you think about integrating a delicate watch into your collection? I'd love to hear your favorite watch styles and how you plan to wear them in the comments below. Let's inspire each other with our timeless choices. Let's move on to our seventh accessory, statement jewelry. This spring, it's all about making a bold impact with chunky necklaces, oversized bangles, and eye-catching earrings. These pieces are perfect for transforming even the simplest outfit into something stylish and curated. Picture this, a chunky gold necklace layered over a plain tee, instantly elevating your look. Statement jewelry allows you to express your personality and creativity. So don't be afraid to go big. Whether it's bold hoops or sculptural designs, these accessories can frame your face beautifully and add a sense of confidence to your style. Here's a fun idea. Mix and match statement pieces with more delicate items for a balanced aesthetic. This way you can showcase your favorite bold pieces while still keeping it chic. So, how excited are you to dive into the world of statement jewelry this season? I'd love to hear your thoughts and see how you plan to incorporate these standout pieces in the comments below. Let's share our style inspirations. Now, let's talk about our eighth accessory, statement belts. These versatile pieces are more than just functional. They have the power to define your silhouette and elevate even the simplest outfits. This spring, bold designs like chunky leather belts or stylish chain belts are taking center stage, adding structure and flair to your look. Imagine cinching a flowy dress with a statement belt. It instantly transforms your shape and adds a focal point to your outfit. Whether it's a studded belt for an edgy vibe or a sleek chain belt for a chic touch, these accessories can enhance your style effortlessly. Here's a tip. Try wearing a statement belt over a blazer or high-waisted trousers to create an eye-catching effect that flatters your figure. So, are you ready to incorporate statement belts into your wardrobe this season? I can't wait to hear your thoughts and see how you style these bold accessories in the comments below. Let's keep the fashion conversation going. Next, let's explore our ninth accessory, silk scarves. These timeless pieces are incredibly versatile and can instantly elevate any outfit. This spring, think about all the creative ways you can style a silk scarf, from tying it around your neck to draping it over your shoulders for a polished finish. Imagine how a beautifully patterned silk scarf can transform a basic outfit into something special. You can also use it as a hair accessory, tying it in your hair for a chic, effortless look. Or try looping it through the belt loops of your pants for a fashionable twist. Here's a little style tip. Experiment with different knots and styles to find what suits you best. The beauty of a silk scarf is that it can be a statement piece or a subtle accent, depending on how you wear it. So, how excited are you to add silk scarves to your wardrobe this season? I'd love to hear your favorite ways to style them in the comments below. Let's inspire each other with our creativity. Finally, let's wrap up our list with the 10th accessory, bag charms. These fun and stylish additions are a fantastic way to personalize your handbag without overwhelming your look. Bag charms can add just the right amount of detail, making your bag feel unique and polished. Imagine attaching a charming mini pendant or a lovely pearl accent to your favorite handbag. It's a simple touch that can transform your accessory into something truly special. You can choose from a variety of designs, like playful motifs or elegant metallics, to match your personal style. Here's a little tip. Don't be afraid to mix and match different charms for a more eclectic look. This way, you can showcase your personality and create a one-of-a-kind accessory. So, are you ready to add some bag charms to your collection this spring? I'd love to hear about your favorite charms and how you plan to style them in the comments below. Let's keep the fashion inspiration flowing. Thank you all for joining me on this stylish journey today. We've explored 10 fabulous accessories that are essential for spring 2025. I hope you found some great inspiration to elevate your wardrobe and express your unique style. Remember, fashion is all about feeling confident and empowered. So don't hesitate to try out these trends. As you think about incorporating these accessories into your outfits, remember to have fun with your style and let your personality shine through. Whether you're rocking bold colors or delicate pieces, every accessory has the power to make a statement. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which accessory are you most excited to incorporate into your wardrobe? Share your favorites and any styling tips in the comments below. Your insights can inspire others in our fashion community. And don't forget to stay tuned for more fabulous fashion content coming your way. Let's continue to support each other on this style journey. Until next time, keep accessorizing, stay confident, and embrace your unique flair.